Okay, my wife and kid is watching TV, so bear with me just a second. Here's what you want to do. You want, first of all, you can see the binary price indicator is right there. It's right here. I'm going to get rid of it right now. I'm actually going to delete it off of the system entirely. So now we don't have one, and you can't see it here because it's not there. So we're going to re-download it. We're going to go into general chat here. We're just going to scroll up. Oh, where'd I put it? There it is. We're going to download it. Okay, now it's downloaded. I'm going to open up my downloads folder, or wherever it is that you download things from the internet. You have a folder where they usually go, and mine is a downloads folder. And here it is. I actually made this video twice before, but on this attempt, I forgot to turn my mic on, and on this attempt, I forgot what happened. So any of these three, we're just going to right-click and go down to copy. So at this point, you should have this copied. If not, go back and rewatch the video. Just download it and copy it. And then you can close this out, or do this. Go into your MP4, click on File. It's in the upper left-hand corner. Go down to Open Data folder. Click on it. Left click. Go to MQL4. If yours says MQL5, you're on the wrong platform. So you see MQL4, click on it, or double click on it. Look at your indicators folder, double click on it. And then you can put it anywhere. I'm going to put it right back here under Ryan, because that's where I keep a lot of stuff. I'm just going to right click and paste. See right there? You can go ahead and click X. Go over into your navigator, right click, and go to refresh. If you don't get a refresh, click somewhere else, because sometimes you have to click around a little while, because sometimes it don't come up as refresh. I will show you. Like if you get something like this and there's no refresh button, just click somewhere else until you get a refresh button. And refresh it, and it's right here. Left click and hold the button down, pull it onto a chart and let it go. Then you press OK, and there you go. There it is. We're looking at a weekly chart. Let's scroll it down to a 1 minute chart. And let me get rid of that. And here it is. Let me show both the bid and the ask. There we go. There's your bid and ask, and here's your binary price, which is usually the mid price. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.